4:23:20 Thursday, 1 in the morning. We're using the Valance battery. It's giving out 13.5 volts. I checked it with a voltmeter. It is 13.5 volts. So maybe in 20 minutes we'll see. I think when I heard the fan come on, this thing dropped down to like 11 volts I saw earlier. My wires are running kind of hot, so I added a few more leads to it to get it cooling down. See if we can drop the temperature. Maybe without cause the motor to run. There you can hear the motor run. And once the motor runs, the voltage drops down to 12.4. And let's put a voltmeter here to see it is 12.4. And it's showing 13.48. But this over here is saying 12.3. So why is one thing showing 12.4, but my battery is showing a different number? 13.5 still. And it shows the battery symbol dropping down. It's at 31 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can hear the fans running. What a difference in discrepancy. It's strange. Check the real voltage again one more time. We're at 13.45, 13.45. And over here is saying 12.3. But the thing is running. This water is pretty cold in here. The walls have ice in them. Check on my amp meter. My amp meter is not working very well. Still not working very well. Feels like my amp meter is just garbage. It's reading like 0.3 and no changes. Strange. Temperature now is 29, so that is definitely below freezing.